On behalf of our great national leader, the Supreme Commander of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, do hereby proclaim the independence of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh Medical Students Society was founded on 3rd July 2009, became a candidate member of IFMSA in 2010 with the motto Famulus Clementia. It is an independent welfare organization for medical students which seeks to promote humanitarian ideals amongst medical students so as to create responsible future physicians. Its objective is to link medical students from around the world for exchange and bridging cooperation with them. The society is led by the President, assisted by the Vice President, Internal Affairs and External Affairs, Secretary General, Joint Secretary General, Treasurer, Organizing Secretary. Before joining IFMSA, BMSS was active in various sectors such as health camps, eye screening camps, free cataract surgeries, deworming drive and sanitization awareness, voluntary blood donation awareness and drive, winter clothes distribution. BMSS became a candidate member of IFMSA in the March meeting 2010 in Bangkok, the 59th General Assembly. Our great nation Bangladesh was finally enlisted in IFMSA. After joining IFMSA, BMSS started functioning through the standing committees. The medical students of Bangladesh are working in various standing committees such as Standing Committee on Public Health, Reproductive Health including AIDS, Human Rights and Peace, Medical Education, and they have already started exchanges within the IFMSA to Standing Committee on Professional Exchange. Alongside the standing committees, BMSS has been working in the following fields: voluntary blood donation awareness and drive, vaccination awareness and drive, basic life-saving skills training, hands-on extracurricular clinical and community training, free cataract surgeries. We have undergone massive internal changes at warp speed since 2010, including amendments of the Constitution. These changes were made to increase the dynamic potential of the active members and to protect the autonomy of the organization. In Bangladesh, medical students have a very hard time getting sponsors. BMSS has introduced NBS, non-budget system, which is to get a project or an event done in under $25. It has proven to be very efficient. Our own members contribute for most of the expenditures of the society. BMSS is still a candidate member of IFMSA. Our full membership will establish our recognition with national and international organizations, and this will increase the opportunity for more and more exchanges. Dear colleagues, come, let us join hands and let Bangladesh join forces with you in building a better world. Let's all think globally and act locally.